Any plans for Thanksgiving?
Oh, yeah, I'm definitely trying to give thanks.
That's on the calendar?
I'm trying to give a lot of thanks,
You
dude,
put that on your calendar? Give
yeah.
thanks for Thanksgiving?
I'm going to give thanks.
Are you going to do anything like that?
I'll tell you, the Malley family tradition. My whole family, dude, we dress up as Indians and Pilgrims and we build the Mayflower, dude, in Plymouth Rock and everything. We get a tent, a heated tent out back of my Uncle Mo's house, and we literally have the Pilgrim and Indians Thanksgiving. And, you know what I mean? We just...
Seriously?
I swear, yeah. True story. Yeah, like everyone dresses up. You're either Pilgrim or an Indian.
What are you usually?
I'm the goddamn chief. Fucking, I love a feather dress, dude.
How did I not know?
I love a headdress. Man. This is like my favorite part of Delaware County. Chester Pike, dude. It's the grit of Delco.